Moving on to news now coming in from West Bengal, where there's been a massive reshuffle in the ranks of the police after Mamata Banerjee has once again assumed power as the Chief Minister of the state. The SP of Cooch Behar, Debashish Dhar, is suspended by the West Bengal government. The Mamata Banerjee government will investigate the April 10th Sita Kulchi firing, in which the CISF firing in which 4 people died. K. Kannan, who had been transferred by the Election Commission during the polls, has been reinstated as the SP of Cooch Behar. The SP of Bankura has also been transferred. There's news coming in that as many as 29 officials have been transferred by the West Bengal government under Mamata Banerjee, and many who were in fact transferred by the Election Commission during the polls have now been reinstated. That includes Mr. K. Kannan, who had been transferred by the Election Commission, who's now been reinstated as the SP of Cooch Behar. The Mamata Banerjee government has also said that it will investigate the April 10th Sital Kuchi firing, in which the CISF opened fire and killed 4 people. So a major reshuffle there in the ranks of the West Bengal police, just a day after the Mamata Banerjee government has taken oath following its victory in the West Bengal elections held recently. We're joined by Shreyasi to talk to us about the major developments and the reshuffle that's just been undertaken. Shreyasi, what can you tell us about the reinstatements that have now been ordered by the West Bengal government, particularly in Cooch Behar?
Well, the latest development from Cooch Behar is that the SP that had been put by the Election Commission has been suspended by the Mamata Banerjee government, because the government will be holding a probe into the Sital Kuchi firing, where the CISF had to open fire and 4 people had died during the day of polling on April 10th here in West Bengal. On the other hand, the previous SP who was there before has been reinstated. K. Kannan has been reinstated by the West Bengal government. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee had already hinted after taking oath that there will be a big transfer in the IPS, there will be a big shuffle, because so far the law and order was under ECI during the Model Code of Conduct, but now of course it is under Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. And yesterday at least 28 IPS officers have been shuffled here in the state of West Bengal.
Thank you for that, Shreyasi. We'll be in touch with you on the developments coming in from West Bengal on this story.